Are you looking for the top 5 best heat press for beginners? I know how overwhelming it can be to dive into the world of heat pressing, especially if you're just starting out. I bought and tested these top products to save you the hassle and money. With so many options out there, it's crucial to find the right one that suits your needs. Let's jump into my top 5 picks.
Product number 1, YRYMHT Teflon Sheets. When I first got my hands on the YRYMHT Teflon sheets, I didn't realize how essential they would become in my crafting arsenal. These sheets are a game changer for anyone looking to do heat transfers without the mess. With a temperature resistance of up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, they are perfect for a variety of projects, from t-shirts to mugs. I remember the first time I used them, I was a bit nervous about ruining my workspace, but to my surprise, the sheets not only protected my table, but also made cleanup a breeze. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth and they were good as new. The versatility of these sheets is astonishing. You can cut them to any size, which means they're always the right fit for whatever project you have in mind. I've used them for everything from tote bags to pillowcases, and they've held up beautifully. Plus, they're reusable and tear-resistant, which means they're not just a one-and-done deal. Pros include their heat resistance, ease of cleaning, and the fact that they can be used for multiple crafting applications. The only con? They may not be the most glamorous part of your crafting setup, but trust me, their practicality far outweighs any aesthetic concerns. In conclusion, if you're a beginner looking for a reliable and versatile heat press accessory, these YRYMHT Teflon sheets are a must-have. They'll protect your surfaces and elevate your crafting game while saving you time and effort in the cleanup department.
Product number 2, Kalaji Mini Heat Press. The Kalaji Mini Heat Press was a delightful surprise when I first unboxed it. At first glance, it's compact and lightweight, making it incredibly easy to handle. I was skeptical about its small size, thinking it might not deliver the heat transfer I needed, but I was wrong. This little machine heats up quickly and reaches a maximum temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit. On my first project, a simple t-shirt design, it was just about perfect. One of my favorite features is the one-button design. With just a press, I can increase or decrease the temperature and switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It makes the entire process feel straightforward and user-friendly, especially for someone just starting out. I remember fumbling with my old heat press, trying to figure out the controls, so this design was refreshing. Pros include its portability, ease of use, and safety features like the auto power off after 15 minutes of inactivity. The only downside I found was its limited heating surface area, which can be a bit restrictive for larger projects. Ultimately, if you're a beginner or someone who enjoys crafting on the go, I highly recommend the Kalaji Mini Heat Press. It's efficient, safe, and makes heat pressing accessible for anyone, regardless of experience.
Product number 3, HT VRent Mini Heat Press. Next up is the HT VRent Mini Heat Press, which quickly became one of my favorite tools. This little powerhouse is small yet incredibly effective for various heat transfer projects. When I first used it, I was amazed at how quickly it heated up compared to other mini presses. It can reach a high temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and with 3 heat settings, you can easily customize it for different materials. One of the things that struck me was its lightweight design. I took it with me to a crafting event, and everyone was impressed by how easy it was to handle. It really shines when dealing with small projects, like hats or stuffed animals, where a full-size heat press might be overkill. The insulated base is also a thoughtful addition, ensuring you can set it down without worrying about burns. Pros are its quick heat-up time, lightweight nature, and versatility. However, the only con might be that the small heating area requires a bit more precision during application. If you're looking for a mini heat press that delivers on performance without the bulk, the HT VRent Mini Heat Press is the perfect choice. It's a fantastic tool for beginners who want to experiment with different projects without breaking the bank.
Product number 4, Cricut Easy Press 3. The Cricut Easy Press 3 is a well-known name in the crafting community, and for good reason. I remember when I first got my hands on it, the sleek design and user-friendly interface immediately caught my attention. The 9x9-inch heat plate is perfect for t-shirts, pillows, and tote bags. The ability to control the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set timers manually or through the Cricut Heat app is a game changer. It takes the guesswork out of heat pressing, ensuring consistent results every time. One of the standout features for me was the safety certifications, which made me feel more confident using it at home. It's not just a tool, it's built with safety in mind. I've used it for multiple projects, and each one turned out beautifully. The Easy Press mat that comes with it is also a great bonus, providing the right surface to achieve the best results. Pros include its ease of use, consistent heating, and smart temperature control. The only con I could think of is its price. It's a bit of an investment, especially for beginners. In conclusion, the Cricut Easy Press 3 is an excellent choice for anyone serious about crafting. It takes the hassle out of heat pressing, making it a reliable companion for your creative journey.
Product number 5, Cricut Easy Press Mini. Last but not least, the Cricut Easy Press Mini is the ultimate tool for those intricate projects. This compact heat press is designed for small items like shoes, stuffed animals, and hats. When I first used it, I was blown away by its performance despite its size. The 3 heat settings allow for versatile use, and the precision tip is perfect for hard-to-reach areas. I can't tell you how many times I've struggled with a regular heat press trying to get into tight spots. The Easy Press Mini made everything so much easier. It heats up quickly and has an auto-off feature that adds another layer of safety, especially when working on detailed projects. Pros are its portability, efficiency, and the precision control it offers. However, it may not be the best option for larger projects. If you're into crafting and want a reliable, compact heat press for small objects, the Cricut Easy Press Mini is an excellent investment. It's versatile, easy to use, and perfect for anyone wanting to take their crafting to the next level.
So there you have it, my top 5 heat presses for beginners, each with its unique strengths and features. Whether you're looking for something compact like the Cricut Easy Press Mini, or a more robust option like the Cricut Easy Press 3, there's something here for everyone. Remember to choose one that fits your crafting needs and budget. Happy crafting!